This series of tutorials is aimed at videographers, but not restricted to videographers, as any other creator, in fact any business, can use these same principles to speed up and improve their workflow. The system includes how to record the progress of jobs, as well as your time management on any or all of your various devices. That's the computer, your iPhone or Android, a tablet, Apple Watch, and even from web pages. It records and categorizes emails, messages, quotes, bookings, active jobs, jobs in review, completed jobs, and even those archived jobs. And the workflow includes one software app that can be accessed from your computer or iPhone, your tablet, web pages, and the Apple Watch. And throughout the series, you'll see tutorials on the GAP workflow, with practical examples on the folder setup on your computer, as well as setting up in your email application. And the principle is to gather your thoughts and ideas anytime, anywhere, with the device at hand, instantly adding it to a note, so you've got more time to perform your work without distraction. This will remove any stress of having to remember how to do things later. And the tutorials cover how to set up and work with TickTick application, which acts as notes, calendar, and a to-do list, all in one single application, rather than using multiple applications. The thoughts and ideas can be added to TickTick with a Chrome, Firefox, or Safari extension, or dictated into an Apple Watch or an iPhone, or typed and dictated into your tablet or computer. And you can even directly add them from an email app. And these are the tutorial titles. First of all, we'll look at editing on the computer, your email app, and then the time management tutorial, and then there'll be in-depth instructions on the TickTick application itself, on the computer, on the iPhone or Android, and on web pages, as well as the Apple Watch. The first of the two videos cover how to set up your computer, that's with folders to show the progress of your video jobs, as well as the automatic assembly of emails from clients that are associated with those individual jobs. Video number 3 explains the process of time management using gaps. The last 3 tutorials show how to use the to-do list software in detail. And if you're not a creator, you may want to go to tutorial number 3 to start with, and then you can go back to 1 and 2 later if you want to. I hope you enjoy and learn lots from these tutorials, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell to be notified of the other tutorials in the series as they're produced.